Hello everyone, this is I Am Unicron. I'm here today just to do a quick review of the Transformers, the movie, the SKYWARP Generation 1 Walmart reissue. And here he is. I'm a huge fan of the Generation 1 toys, obviously. And I do like the Walmart reissues that they're doing in the cartoon colors or movie colors, whatever you want to call it. I like it. It's not perfect, but I do enjoy them. Anyway, in the box you can see them: robot mode, jet mode, little tech spec here. Yeah, this box here is kind of trashed, but it's not terrible. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm using my Leatherman titanium today, and we will let's get it open here. Let's see what we got. And I've already done a star screen. I didn't record it, but it's fine. And yeah, so he's just like Starscream. Comes in robot mode, or somewhat robot mode, kind of halfway transformed here with the accessories. Yeah, comes with the little tissue paper. Comes with some instructions. The little safety deal, so you don't swallow and harm yourself. But yeah, so let's get him out of here so we can look at him, compare him to, because I already have Starscream out and transform. Should be it. Yes, there we go. He's free. And let's get some tissue paper. Alright, throw that on the side. Put him here. Let's open up all of the tissue paper, see what we got. It should be the rest of the wings, the accessories. Fist. Does he come with the Megatron gun? Yes, he does. Little blasters, landing gear. Nice. Oh, the gun is in. Okay, yeah. Wow. Okay, yeah. Nice. It has a little. I forgot these come in two parts. That way you can pop it into the hand. Do they all have the Decepticon symbol? Yes, they do. Okay. Nice, has a little Decepticon symbol on Megatron. So, this is the accessories. Alright, let's see if we can get him transformed here. So, for the most part, he's partially transformed. These things are super easy to transform. Put that back. Let's pop the landing gear in here so we don't lose it. There we go. Got that. We'll get the fizz. This is still die-cast metal. Man, it's nice. It feels really tight. I like it. Actually, before we do, yeah, we'll leave it like that. Back in there, we'll put his fist on. That is his right fist. This is the left fist, I think. Yeah, there we go. Like so. And the reason why they had the little tabs from the original ones is so you can peg in Megatron on whatever fist you want to, whatever hand you want to put him in. So he's on there like that. So, and then we will tab in his wings. Tab in his wings. The only thing I do kind of, I know this looks better when it's in jet mode, but when it's in robot mode, I kind of wish they would have flipped the symbols over the right way. I know that accuracy when it's in jet mode, this is the right way, but most of the time he'll be displayed in robot mode, so it would look better if the Decepticon symbols were did a 180 and they were right side up instead of flipped over like that. But yeah, it's no big deal. And then the blaster, of course you can stick them in the shoulder. God, man, these things are tight. You can put them in the shoulder here for like a shoulder fire. It comes with 2 of each, the little long nose and then a little cross pattern. So I think these might actually work. Yeah, they actually fire, so the springs in them are pretty good. That's mostly for our collectors. And then if you want to put the Megatron in there, he gets inserted like so. So this will tab in here to the bottom port. If I can get it to tab in properly. So that should tab in there. And then this should go into the port here, like so. And then you have Megatron. Actually, it will look better on here that way. The Decepticon symbol is facing out. So, but that's how that goes. Same thing. You can put the other blaster on here, so you can have 2 blasters. Have a blaster here. Blaster here. You can hold these if he wants to. Looks weird. We'll put his foot down. And then let us assemble the fins, the little tail fins. Always stick these on like so. I'll pop these together. Same thing. Pop these together like so. And then these I will pop on here. Pop that back in place. And then we'll put this on here. And then pop this back in place. Oh, we lost half a Megatron. Let's get him back on there. We lost a rocket. My goodness, man. Yeah, we'll replace it with a different one. It shot off somewhere across the room. And anyway, there we go. There is, for the most part, SKYWARP in jet mode. I mean robot mode. And he is, just for comparison, I have a Masterpiece SKYWARP here. So this is the Hasbro SKYWARP, the first one that came out a long time ago. And the colors on here are kind of purplish. They kind of, I don't know. I mean, I like the Hasbro SKYWARP. That was like one of the first, actually the second Masterpiece. First Masterpiece I had was Optimus Prime, the battle damage one, and then this was the second Masterpiece I had was this one. And I like it. The colors are not that great. Here he is next to Starscream. Similar setup. I do like Starscream. I think Starscream looks a little bit better. I think the purple on here is, his foot's a little defective, but I think it's maybe a little bit too light of a purple. Would have been a little bit darker, maybe like that SKYWARP purple, it would have looked better. But yeah, anyway, just a very quick, I say quick, but a quick unboxing and review of SKYWARP. I just want to say thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good one.